In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sheet Summary in Smartsheet. Sheet Summary is a great place to store high-level information about your project, like key dates, owners, status, and quick checkboxes, all in one panel. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a few different types of fields so you can see how flexible it is and then start using them right away. First, open your project sheet in Smartsheet. Once your sheet is loaded, look for the Sheet Summary panel. If it isn't already open, click the highlighted Sheet Summary icon to expand it on the right side of your screen. This panel is where we're going to add and configure all of our summary fields. To begin, click on the New Field button. This is how you create any new item in the Sheet Summary. A list of field types will appear. You'll see options like Contact List, Date, Dropdown, Checkbox, Symbols, and Text Number. These are similar to column types in the grid, but here they're used for high-level roll-up data. Start by exploring the different types. Click on Contact List to create a field that stores a person responsible, like an owner or project lead. Then choose Date to create a field for key milestones or deadlines. Next, try Dropdown for a single select list, which is perfect for statuses like Not Started, In Progress, or Complete. You can also add a checkbox field, which works well for simple yes or no indicators, and a Symbols field to visually represent progress or health. Finally, Text Number is useful for notes, counts, or budget figures. Each time you pick a type, confirm by clicking OK. After the field is created, click on its name area, usually shown as something generic like Field 1, and rename it to something meaningful. For example, you might type in Project Owner for a contact field, Go Live Date for a date field, or Executive Status for a dropdown. Rename each field right after you create it so your summary stays clear and organized. As you create additional fields, repeat the same pattern. Click New Field, choose the appropriate type, click OK, then select the field name and give it a clear label. When you're working with contact fields, select an existing contact from the list to populate it. For date fields, click into the field, choose a date from the calendar, and it will be stored in your summary. For symbols, pick the symbol set that best matches how you like to communicate status, then confirm. By the time you're done, your sheet summary will contain a set of well-labeled fields: contacts, dates, dropdowns, checkboxes, symbols, and text or numbers, all configured and ready to use. This gives you an at-a-glance view of your project's most important information without digging through the grid, and you can now update these fields anytime directly from the Sheet Summary panel.